Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm a CEO of Tubalytics. It is an all-you-need YouTube analytics tool and influencer marketing platform. Today, I'd like to show you how it works in detail. Let's start from the main dashboard. Here we see some useful tasks that marketer can perform. At the top, you will see that Tubalytics is comprised of three modules: Analytics, Tools, and My Channels. Let's start with the Analytics module. Here, you see channel tops in table views. Also, there are some sections with different tops that I will discuss a little bit later. The first and the most important top is the audience top. This top allows us to estimate channels' audiences. But before we go any further, let's expand on general filters. There are so many interesting things here. You can set a channel's country. In this demo, I will use United Kingdom. Average views per video and subscribers filter. Also, here are demographic filters. You can choose audience age and gender ratio. YouTube doesn't provide this information, but we found a way to get some insights, and we are pretty accurate in this. You may also select some channel categories and display only channels in these categories. Also, you can tick the checkbox influencers only and display all the channels led by influencers. These filters can be applied to every top, and you can set them at any time. So let's move on to the audience top. The core feature of this top is that we collect important metrics from videos for all the channels, and then we calculate three main parameters. The first one is comment rate. It shows how many comments a video on an analyzed channel gets per 1000 views on average. Next metric is like rate. It is the percentage of likes among all the ratings for a given channel's videos, regardless of the total number of ratings. And the third and the last column you see is all rates. It is the share of ratings, likes or dislikes per 1000 views. We normalize all of these three metrics and represent them as stars in the corresponding columns. The main point is that these metrics are relative. It means that they change on a daily basis when we recalculate all the metrics for all the channels. And finally, in this column, you see the audience rating. It is a composite rating that we apply to each channel by considering the main three metrics which I just described. It can be A, B, C or D. We recommend putting paid promotions on channels with ratings A or B and C in pinch. But you really should think twice before working with D channels. You can consider decreasing the price for these marketing campaigns. Please pay attention so that you can set some custom filters that apply to the particular top. You can find them at the top of each table view. So, let's move on to the dynamic top. Here are some key metrics that show us displayed channels and how they have performed during the past week or the past month. Let's describe each column. Total views growth, it means for all videos on a particular channel. Subscriber growth during past week or past month. Views per video growth, it means growth of the average views per video calculated weekly. Comment rate and all rates growth it is the growth of the two of the metrics explained earlier. And the last two columns are the same in every top. It is just for your information, and it is subscribers and average views per video. Sometimes it makes sense to tick the positive growth checkbox to see only the good channels that is suitable for your marketing campaigns. Next top is financial tops. It gives us some pretty interesting insights. Let's take a look at the promoted videos column. Here you can see some videos with brand endorsements or integrations. If we open the video, we'll see the carousel with promoted videos and ad links below them. This can be very handy when you are looking for inspiration and want to see ad video examples. Next two columns are very interesting. We have proprietary algorithms based on neural networks that estimate a fair price for placing a promoted video on a particular channel. This data is adjusted on a daily basis and is roughly correct in most cases. So, here we see an estimated price for a promoted video with endorsement or integration on a particular channel. The difference between endorsement and integration is endorsement lasts about 20-30 seconds and includes high blogger involvement, whereas integration is usually brand mentioned in a video and costs half the price. CPV is the cost per 1000 views. It is calculated by considering average promoted video price and projected views for the next video. And you've already seen the audience rating in the audience top. It is the last column here. This is a great custom filter called promoted videos, which allows us to see only channels with promoted videos on them. When booking an ad, you have to contact them first, because there is a much higher probability that these bloggers will respond to you. Okay, the next top is social. Here you see the number of shares via Twitter or Facebook for channels' videos. We consider 5 recent videos for every channel. I forgot to mention that every column is sortable. So you can easily find channels with the most Facebook shares, for example. And here is one more interesting thing: trending probability. This column shows the likelihood that the video will reach YouTube trends. It is easy for us to calculate this because we analyze all the trends on a daily basis. And you may review the badges column, where there are some interesting badges for channels with their descriptions. Okay, let's go to the tracking top. At first, in the audience rating column, we see not only the rating itself, but how and if it changed during the past week or month. There are also 2 very interesting columns. Rising stars is a metric that allows you to identify channels that have sustainably grown over the past 1-2 months. The more average views per video a channel gets, the more this metric grows weekly. So let's open a channel with high rising stars and review the graph for average views per video. We see here that this channel sustainably grows over a month. It is very useful information. And let's get back to the tracking top and take a look at challengers metric. It is a metric that allows us to identify channels that have suddenly blown up over the past few days. This trend may persist in the near future, but maybe not. So let's open some channel with a high challengers rank. So I go to graph, scroll down to daily views, and we see that this channel suddenly got a lot of views during the past few days. It is very useful, isn't it? And these metrics are calculated on a weekly basis. Please notice that the there is one more useful metric: endorsement cost change. Roughly speaking, this is an indicator of the change in the cost of a blogger's endorsement for the selected period. And let's go to the last top. It is the interest top. There is only one, but it is a very important metric. It shows the percentage of bloggers' audience that is interested in a particular topic. We calculate this metric by analyzing huge amounts of commenters' data. Just try to select different categories and sort them by interest in. That's all for the analytics module. Take a little break and please continue to watch the next video about the tools module. Thank you.